Google's Android made a spectacular debut on an HTC smartphone featuring a physical keyboard. But after Apple's game-changing iPhone announcement in 2007, the era of typing using tiny buttons started to fade away. Fast forward today, we have only two decent devices sporting a physical keyboard, the Key 2 and the Key 1 from the once famous BlackBerry. So whenever there is a new BlackBerry launch with a physical keyboard, you will see a ton of comments questioning the use of tiny buttons for typing, when one can type much faster on a virtual keyboard. Well, it was never about the speed, and it still isn't. Typing will always be swifter with virtual and gesture-friendly keyboards like Gboard, SwiftKey, or FlexKey. The actual reason to choose a physical keyboard is entirely different here. It is all about accuracy and feel. The error-free typing and satisfying experience you get while pressing down your thumb on those matte finish buttons that you can only get on a BlackBerry is simply unbeatable. The blind typing is another advantage too, as you can never achieve the same on a display made up of glass. For a lot of us, our first phone had plenty of buttons, and that nostalgia is something that a lot of younger audience has probably never experienced. Now let us talk about other add-ons. The entire keyboard works as a trackpad in the system. You can navigate through the OS, having a distraction-free scrolling experience on websites and apps as your thumb never covers the screen. Besides that, each key works as a shortcut to apps, to call or text someone, to pull down a notification bar, or to lock the phone. And once you get used to it, the entire system works flawlessly. With the launch of Key 2, BlackBerry also added a new speed key on its keyboard, which functions the same way as a Windows key does on the PCs, and can be set to open any app or perform any task, irrespective of where you are in the UI. To say who would use a physical keyboard in 2018 is an understatement. It's not me who's saying it, it's a million other users too. We hope to see more phones with physical keyboards, or maybe something like what Samsung tried with the S8, for those people with pragmatic productivity needs and not just millennials looking to quickly send short messages and emojis.